Hey guys, this is going to be a tutorial showing how I got this super cute wash day hairstyle. So starting out on freshly washed hair, I'm going in with the Curlsmith Strength Recipe Multitasking Conditioner. This is actually a 3-in-1 conditioner. You can use it as a leave-in, a rinse out, or a deep conditioner. This time I went in and used it as a leave-in. As you guys know, I already love a leave-in conditioner on my hair. This multitasking conditioner by Curlsmith has the best slip. As you can see, it's really easy for me to rake through. It's starting to define my curls and my hair looks nice and smooth, and it felt super moisturized. After applying the conditioner, I then went in with the Shape Up Aqua Gel. This is a weightless anti-frizz gel. It's got quite a watery consistency, and at first I was a bit skeptical. I wasn't sure whether it was going to work or not, but as soon as I applied it, my curls were super defined. As you can see, it's got really great bounce to it, and because of the light watery consistency, I believe that that's what left my hair with so much movement after it dried. Then to style, what I'm doing is sectioning off a bit at the back. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want my 2 puffs to be quite big. If I cane row all the way back to the nape of my neck and then put it in a puff, my puffs won't be as big. So what I do is I section off that bit at the back, put it into a little ponytail, and then I cane row the rest of my hair back. So what I'm doing first is just gently detangling the section where I'm going to cane row, and then slicking it down with a soft brush, making sure that it's all nice and tidy. The 2 products made it really easy to detangle, to smooth back, and to cane row. Because there was so much slip, I wasn't reaching any tangles. My hair was just gliding over itself as I was braiding backwards, which made styling my hair super quick and easy. Then when I get to the back of the section, I braid down just a little bit further, and then I grab a bigger hairband and join the end of the braid up to the little ponytail that I did earlier. Because I've braided my hair, I lost some of the definition as I was braiding. So what I did was just apply a little bit more of the gel and just rake it through to get the definition back. For my edges, I also applied a little bit of the gel, just a really tiny bit, and then I went in with my edges brush just to slick them back. And then to hold that in place whilst my hair dries, I tied it down with a satin scarf. I allowed my hair to dry, and then this is the final result. I love how these products made my hair look and feel. I had so much volume in my 2 puffs. The front of my hair was nice and slick and tidy. My edges were laid down and they were not going anywhere for the whole day. My hair was moisturized, it had loads of movement. So yeah, highly recommend this product combo if you're looking for a wash day hairstyle. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.